portfolio track. So the final one is the AP Art boot camps, which you're also going to see. So these are classes specifically designed for building portfolios, AP Art portfolio, supplemental portfolio, or college portfolio. They're the camp where we take, or the weekly class, which is they're where we take all these different technical and creative skills that you're picking up from different places and gluing them together to create like portfolios that are thematic, such as the AP Art portfolio. So for sustained investigations, or supplemental portfolios for non-art majors, and how to deal with both technical as well as creative work to put together the strongest supplemental portfolio you can. And then the college art portfolios, which are core art majors, and they have a variety of portfolios that they'll face, and they'll be different from each other. And so basically this is the camp and class where you are guided by myself and other teachers. All the summer one will be me, but during the once a week, there's multiple teachers that can be there as well, on how to build the best portfolio possible for what we needed to do, as well as building artwork for competitions specifically. And we have portfolio development. So examples of different work through different students of different types of things that have shown up in portfolios. And this is this is like a cross section of stuff. Like these going together would make one of the greatest supplemental portfolios ever, but it would be like technical, and how to dig into something technical to that level, the textures, the values, the colors, the accuracy of it, and being careful with your production, but then also getting into message based. So how can I take some of these technical skills and create creative message based things? So we have this one, which is a gold key, fantastic painting. This is college art portfolio, just communicating different things, obviously gun rights and things of that nature, to the last one talking about like the human footprint on the planet, and how we go through it and affect the world as we go through the world. And so they're good examples of pieces that have been generated by students and how they've even been put into portfolios. This one even is been featured on the College Board website itself, so which is a pretty cool thing.